Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here. Yes, it did come in a large shipping box, which I just opened about 30 seconds ago. So we'll open it up this way. And actually, this is a first for me. I've never seen a Zodiac watch before. Also, this was kindly lent in again by Andres. Really appreciate him sending this in for us to check out. Also, this watch is for sale as well, just like the Yema he lent in a little while ago. So let's get this out of the outer box here. Don't want to rip it. All right. Oh, what do we have going on here? Triple boxed, I guess. Oh, okay, I had it upside down. Yeah, so this is Zodiac Super Seawolf World Time Automatic. And actually, this is a special one. It has a misprint on it, which this was shipped out before they caught the misprint. And then they had to scrap all the ones that they had the misprint on and redo them. But this one has the actual misprint on it still. So that's very neat. I don't know if it's one of a kind, but it's definitely pretty rare with that considered. Very cool watch. I've always wanted to pick one of these up, just never got around to it. Not the World Time, but their regular dive watch. Very cool. Very nice looking watch. Looks pretty thin too. The case shape kind of reminds me of the Zen 104 in a way. So let's get this off of here. Oh, well that's, I've never seen that before. It has a hole cut in here. That's quite interesting. That's a nice looking watch. The female end link here. Solid links. Has the quick release pins too. I believe Zodiac is owned by the Fossil Group now, if I remember correctly. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong or guessed right. I don't know. I'm assuming this is a bidirectional bezel, so let's check it out. Yes, it is. All right, cool. So yeah, you have the GMT hand, and then of course the hour, minute, second hand with the date wheel over there. And I don't know if this is a sapphire bezel insert or if it's some sort of resin. So I'll look up some more information about this watch for the full presentation. Just a quick look at it here today. The Zodiac World Time Swiss made. Looks like the model number is Z09410. Then 200 meter water resistance. So yeah, very nice. Nice simple case back, but you don't really see the case back anyway. So we have screwed links here. It has more links or not. We'll put it on wrist, see how it fits. Looks like it should have a few more links. Then we have 4 micro adjust there. It is interesting with that hole in there. I don't know why that's in there like that. Interesting. Yeah, this fits quite well on my wrist, so I think our wrist size is pretty similar. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, so he might have, I don't know, 6.5 to 7, somewhere around there. Yeah, this watch fits really nice on wrist. Wow. Lugs maybe look a little long to the case size. I don't know, I'll do all the measurements, and like I said, talk about that in a future video here. So let me know what you think of this watch. It looks really good to me. Oh, the misprint that I almost forgot about that. So the misprint on this is one of the time zones, or one of the cities is spelled incorrectly. Actually, I guess it would be, yeah, city right there. Singapore, Singapoure. It should be Pore, not Poure. Okay, let's get this back on wrist and I'll show it to you zoomed out and then we'll close out the video. It looks like a nice amount of taper too. If I had to guess, it's probably 22 down to 18. And it kind of looks, almost has the look of a rivet bracelet there. Feels good on wrist too. Since I was wearing the SKX earlier, let's see how they look side by side. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. That really helps me out a lot. And like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch, or if you've had experience with any other Zodiac watches. All right, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.